Hello everyone, this is Jewel with Jewel's Remedies, and this is my DIY facial toner for dry skin. So it features 3 simple ingredients: my rose floral water, my apple cider vinegar that's been infused with lemon peels, and patchouli essential oil. My friends with drier skin types have requested some formulas for their skin, and so dehydrated skin can cause redness and flakiness, and then if it's really excessively dry, it can become chapped, cracked, and inflamed. So this formula is going to include the anti-inflammatory activity of the apple cider vinegar, the moisturizing benefit of the rose floral water, and also the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial activity of the patchouli essential oil. Mentioned apple cider vinegar is anti-inflammatory but also pH balancing. I usually like to infuse citrus in my apple cider vinegar. So I've already let it infuse, but this is what the pills look like after sitting in a cabinet with apple cider vinegar in a mason jar for about a week or two. Notice that it does not have the white pith of the peel. When you're peeling your citrus, try avoiding getting that white part. So you simply take the peel of one fruit. I put one medium-sized lemon inside my apple cider vinegar and stored it in the jar. So that is very simple to do with any citrus that you have to get that skin brightening effect for your apple cider vinegar. And then floral water is a byproduct of the steam distillation process to make rose essential oil. It's fragrant, it's moisturizing. Traditionally, it's used in love and meditation because it's really soothing and just has this great fragrance. And then patchouli essential oil. And remember, when you're buying essential oils, it should be in an amber colored bottle because it is photosensitive. So it's sensitive to sun and it will interact with the sun. You want to make sure you have a botanical name, and here on this bottle they happen to have it here. And make sure in the ingredients that is the only ingredient that you have. Sometimes brands will dilute essential oils in other oils like jojoba, or they'll have other ingredients in there and it'll be a blend, but you want to make sure you get pure patchouli essential oil. Now, many people think of patchouli, they think of incense, but what you may not know is that it's used in a variety of skin conditions, including eczema. It's known to be generally safe for most skin types. So I love kind of the woodsy, clean smell of patchouli, but it's still sweet. But it is going to smell different than the incense, which may be a good thing. Incense. In my amber colored bottle, because again, essential oils are sensitive to the sun and will interact with the sun. If you do not have an amber colored bottle, remember, just store it away from the sunlight, like inside your drawer or cabinet. So with apple cider vinegar, you want to always dilute. So I use, in this 4-ounce bottle, it was 2 ounces of my lemon-infused apple cider vinegar, and then 2 ounces of my pure rose floral water. And the same thing goes with rose floral water. You should have the botanical name on the label so that you know you're getting the pure, unadulterated product. So after mixing equal parts of the ACV in the floral water, I add about 20 drops of the patchouli essential oil. Now, because, dry skin sufferers do have like the redness and the flakiness, I consider that sensitive. So I would use a 0.5% dilution. So that means 5 drops per ounce of your carrier liquid. So for this 4-ounce bottle, it would be 20 drops. And there you go. You'll have some relief from the inflammation. You'll have the essential oil that's pure, that will add some moisture and also be a benefit to anti-inflammatory, and patchouli is also, if I didn't mention before, antimicrobial. So with those 3 ingredients, you're going to treat your inflammation and get that moisture. So if you have any other recommendations or questions about different formulas for your skin type, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and my blog on Squarespace is coming soon. Have a great day. Feel free to like and subscribe and share and leave any questions below. Have a great day.